Okay friends, just open your menu, then go to settings application, then select network and internet, you can see here, and then select data saver. Just select data saver. Okay, then you can see option of use data saver. Click on that button and you are successfully turned on data saver. And also you can set here unrestricted mobile data, so you can set which application is not being used by mobile data, so you can set those applications. It will be restrict them to use mobile data. So that's one of the very useful feature, and that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.